what happens. You share that good news with everyone, with anyone, right? Right? New baby, that is the good news. You share that with everyone. You tell your family, your friends, the good news. Good news cannot be contained. And that's what happened to Mary and the women. When they went to the tomb, my friends, when they went to the tomb, what happens? When the tomb was empty, right away they ran away. They ran away from the tomb and shared the good news that Jesus is risen, that there was an empty tomb. Good news, my friends, cannot be contained. Good news cannot be contained that Jesus is alive, that He is with us, that He is at the right hand of the Father. That is the good news, my friends. The good news that cannot be contained. That because of that, my friends, we must do the same. Remember, there were only few men and women at the beginning. You can count them at the beginning during the early time of Christianity. And now what happens? What happens now, my friends? There are about over 1 billion Christians all over the world because of these men and women who ran away from the tomb and proclaimed the good news of the resurrection. Good news, my friends, cannot be contained. We must do the same. We must be witnesses of His resurrection. Is Christ alive, my friend? Is Christ alive in your home? Is Christ alive in your office? Is Christ alive among your friends? Is Christ alive, my friends, as you walk on the streets of Pinoy and Hercules? Is Christ alive, my friends? Is He alive? Is He risen in the place where you go? That is the question. My friends, is He alive? It is funny today at the morning mass, the 8 o'clock mass, I was outside greeting